Good morning, children. Welcome back to my English class. Children, today we are going to learn grammar part. In grammar, we will learn action words. So, children, please open page number 35 from your English literature book. Children, we are going to learn action words. But before that, I will give you some examples. Sana waters the plants. She eats an apple. She also washes her bike. She writes a letter to her grandmother. She goes to take a bath. She reads a book. Children, in these sentences, the words waters, eats, washes, writes, goes, and reads state these words that she does. All these words are verbs. Verbs are words that state actions which show what someone or something does. Remember, children, what someone or something does. Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. Okay, children? Children, tell me one thing. What are you doing right now? You are watching my video, right, children? And what I am doing right now? I am teaching you. Children, you are doing the action of watching and I am doing the action of teaching. So, children, what do we know from these two words? Teaching or watching? Yes, that we are doing some action. So, look at on page number 35. Children, if something has happened in the past, it has already finished. Children, for example, jumps, join, walk, laugh, talk, plays, read. Here are words that means action and therefore are called action words. And children, an action word tells what someone or something does. And children, action words are called verbs. Listen to me carefully. When we talk about something or actions that have already happened or happened some time back, we add ed to the action words. Now children, we are going to solve question number A. Add ed to the action words given below. So, is the first word jump. We will put ed in the end of this word. So, now it has become a jumped. So, children, similarly, we will write following words in the same way. Next word is join. And we will put ed in the end of this word. And it has become a joint. Third word is work. Worked. Fourth, laugh. Laughed. Fifth, talk. Talked. Sixth, return. Returned. Seventh, call. Called. Eight number, walk. Walked. Nine number, help. Helped. Wait. Waited. Children, let's move forward. When we talk about things or actions ending with Y that have already happened or happened sometime back, we add IED to the action word. Turn the page, dear children, on page number 36, question number B. Fill the blanks with the correct IED from of the action words given in the brackets. So children, I am going to read first sentence, and the first sentence is the mother dash carry her baby in her arms, and the word carry is given in the brackets. If we put IED at the end of this carry word, So what will become this word? Yes, so it will become a carried word. The mother carried her baby in her arms. Next sentence is Bina cried in pain. And this sentence will become Bina cried in pain. Third, children, in this way we will complete the sentences by putting IED on all the words. Next sentence is Sham copied yesterday's work. Sham copied yesterday's work. Next, Binita fried the chips. Binita fried the chips. Next, fifth one, Geeta tried to learn driving. Geeta tried to learn driving. Shayla dried the clothes. Shayla dried the clothes. Gopi applied for the job. Gopi applied for the job. Last, we hurried to station as we were late. We hurried to the station as we were late. So children, here we used IED at the end of action words. Now children, we are going to learn ING. Children, we add ing at the end of action words, means verbs. Now we are going to learn from few examples plus ing. For example, children, mother is drinking tea. Second example, Hari is playing a piano. Third example, Parul is reading a book. Now here you can see that we have used ing with drink, play, read. Now these all are action words. Now children, look at on page number 36. When we talk about things or actions that are still going on while we are speaking, we add ing to the action word. Children, something is still going on. To show this, we use ing at the end of action word. Now we are going to complete question number C. Look at on page number 36. Complete the sentences using the correct ing form of the action words given in the brackets. One has been done for you. Then we are going to put ing at the end of these words. Okay. Now first one is the children are playing cricket. This one is already done for you. Second, Riya is swim. And we put ing at the end of swim words. It became Riya is swimming. Third sentence is the cows are graze grass. The cows are grazing grass. Fourth one, Anna is dash a book. Read a book. It became Anna is reading a book. Sumit is cycle to school. Sumit is cycling to school. The stars are shine brightly. The stars are shining brightly. Amir is put his toys in the box. Amir is putting his toys in the box. Last, the children are celebrating a birthday. The children are celebrating a birthday. Now we are moving on. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with words from the boxes. First sentence is, who dashed all the windows? Who closed all the windows? Next one, the baby dashed all night due to fever. The baby cried all night due to fever. Next, it is dash outside. It is snowing outside. Next, Gauri dashed loudly. Gauri shouted loudly. Next, We dash our uncle last week. We visited our uncle last week. 6 number. Father dashed the door for us. Father opened the door for us. 7th. Maya dashed to complete her work on time. Maya tried to complete her work on time. Next. The porters are dashed the luggage. The porter are carrying the luggage. Next. Ridhima is dash a cake. Ridhima is baking a cake. Next. Janvi dash cream on her face. Janvi applied cream on her face. Dear children, please complete question number A, B, C, D in your English textbook. And please complete page number 37 and 38. That's all for today, children. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.